Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious ramen omelette. First, gather your ingredients. 1 package of instant ramen, 2 large eggs, and any toppings you love. Next, cook the ramen noodles as directed on the package, but make sure to drain them thoroughly. While the noodles are cooking, whisk your 2 eggs with a pinch of salt and pepper until well combined. Now, take your perfectly cooked and drained ramen noodles and add them directly into the bowl with your whisked eggs. Gently mix everything together, ensuring that every strand of noodle is coated with the egg mixture. For an extra burst of flavor, you can even sprinkle in about 1/4 of the ramen seasoning packet at this stage. It's time to cook. Heat 1 tablespoon of your preferred cooking oil in a non-stick pan over medium heat. Once the pan is hot, pour in your ramen and egg mixture, spreading it out evenly to form a round omelet shape. Let it cook undisturbed for about 3 to 4 minutes, or until the bottom is beautifully golden brown and the edges are set. Almost done. With a spatula, carefully fold your ramen omelet in half. Continue cooking for another 1 to 2 minutes, allowing the egg to fully set through. Once cooked to your liking, slide it onto a plate. Now comes the fun part. Add your favorite toppings, like chopped green onions or a drizzle of sriracha, and enjoy your creative and delicious ramen omelette.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.